Welcome to the WiseGuy channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video and watch it together.
Morning. Early morning. Yes, we're going to take you into the WiseGuy headquarters, right? Yeah. Got a couple things going, but one of the things I want to show you right now. Did I say welcome back? It's early morning. Okay. So I was asking pretty much basically Genie, right? AI. Let me show you my question I asked them.
Okay, I'm working on, this is my question. I was working on creating a YouTube channel. Currently, I have only 75 videos launched on YouTube. My question is, as I keep placing more videos on the channel, will the YouTube program algorithm be triggered to show my videos? Oh, we got yes, okay, all right. As you upload more videos, okay, all right. They flip this basic iPhone around and put you on my favorite spot to basically create these videos. Don't laugh.
Say don't laugh. I want you to know I have all the accessories thanks to Miss WiseGuy, right? Okay, so and I'll take you basically and show you. Hey, she supplied everything, right? Possible, right? We have it for the GoPro, right? We have it for basically my iPhone, right? All these little gadgets. We'll show you in a minute, right? Okay, so let me finish reading. Okay, yes, as you upload more videos, right, YouTube algorithms will gather more data, right, about your content, increasing the chances of your videos being recommended. All right. Big shout out to my daughter, little Brittany, okay, and Miss WiseGuy if you're out there, right, and my grandson, little Wyland.
Okay, so as we're looking at, right, okay, how YouTube recommends your content, right, I'm just gonna, this is what the test is about, when they start getting into restriction, because I've hit a couple of them, okay, and you hear what's playing in the background?
So on one of my flat screen TVs, right, you know, I got the YouTube basically music playing. Yeah, so I want to see, right, because one of the videos I launched, right, oh man, I pulled some restrictions. No, we don't want to do that. All right. Yeah, what does it say right here? I think I'm reading it. Check your settings, which we will, right? Make sure the channel setting in YouTube Studio are properly configured as your content isn't restricted. I didn't set up this channel, Miss WiseGuy did. I just took it over, I don't know, a little while ago. We're gonna start calling them episodes instead of parts, right? I think Miss WiseGuy did a great job. And she did supply me with everything possible, okay, to create this content. But what I'm doing these days is about ready to start interviewing for a director position, right? But we had a couple things, basically, so you're gonna get some videos, right? I came out of the gym and made a basic protein shake and basically broke the basically refrigerator shelf, right? The temper shelf. So that's gonna be a little challenging to find a shelf, right? I've looked all over basically the wide world web. Okay, I also tore up the tempered glass, right? The little pellets, right? The glass breaks into little pellets and it just tore up the side of the basic cabinet, right? So this morning I cleaned that up, right? I made a video. right? Yeah, create some content, right? These opportunities come up. On top of that, the basic Dodge truck you see basically start blowing out fuel everywhere. So we use that, right, to go ahead promote my garage, Sean, right, and made some more content. All right.
Huh? What do you think? Huh? Take a look. Huh? Did it come out nice? Well, what does that mean? What it is? Really? Because it's near your jerky? Huh? Is that what it is? Okay. You know I'm working. Hey. What are you trying to tell me? Do you think it came out nice? Huh? I think you want what's inside that cabinet, don't you? Huh?
Let's cruise through because little Lena was so cute, right? When I was based, she's on a diet, by the way, right? She doesn't like it, right? And she's hiding food. So we're gonna go cruise through, show you that, yeah, we don't have to use that little box. It's just quick and easier for me, right?
It's early morning. Let's take this cup of coffee with me, right? First, we're going to show you. We do have everything imaginable. Thank the Miss WiseGuy. I guess this is if I was basically in a swimming pool, right? Okay, and we do have the GoPro, but I'll tell you what, this is what happens. These batteries, they get just fat, right? They heat up, right? Okay, but there's everything imaginable, right? And I just got done buying things for the basically iPhone, right? Okay, so this is my favorite one that she supplied, right? This tripod, right? Yes, I've been using that one. Thanks, Miss WiseGuy. That's a good one. And on the video when I was, in fact, let me take you over to the shelf where I was saying, hey, you guys let me know if you want to see me make some rollouts. I got one. Remember, this is a test. Well, that video I think it's just gonna, oh, by the way, okay, I watch this about a little later. And we're gonna have to shut the door. So, when I'm kicking back, watching, right, TV, you see that? She's so funny. She's been hiding food. So this morning, her oatmeal. Yeah, she eats oatmeal. Okay, let's go see. She's seen me watching her. Okay, let me see. Okay, sorry, got the camera. Oh, she moved it. She moved it. Let's go find it. I kind of know where her hiding spots are. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Look, she's stashing food for late night. Okay. She's gonna be mad at me. Look at that.
It's me saying, really, as we try to basically take Miss WiseGuy's basic channel to the next level. And I mean, jeez. Okay, all right. Sorry, Lil Lita's basically looking at me.
Okay. All right. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to squeal you out. I know. You're the best. You are. You're the best. Man's best friend. All right, I get back to work, okay? I want to thank you for watching the video. And please, We could use your help. Hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.